New in Curipod, you can now generate practice and formative assessment activities designed to support students as they practice explicit skills and receive immediate AI feedback. All of these activities are designed to pair seamlessly with your existing curriculum. To get started, click Get Lesson, then Practice and Activities, and choose between practice or formative assessment. If I choose practice, I have 4 options. Under skill practice, I select the skill I want students to work on, and Curipod generates a short, targeted activity with multiple chances to practice that skill. As students respond, they receive AI feedback on each question to help them improve as they go. Under vocabulary, one of your favorite lessons is back, Vocabulary Hustle. Just enter the words students need to know and watch them learn and apply definitions through a fun and friendly game. We've also moved our 5-minute quick writes and immersive literacy activities here. These activities give students opportunities to practice reading and writing skills, receive feedback as they work, and stay engaged at the same time. Under formative assessment, you can engage students in activities that help you see what they understand and where there might be gaps. With AI feedback, you can generate activities focused entirely on feedback. Students respond to a prompt, receive feedback, reflect, and try again to strengthen their responses. You can also create Curie quizzes or use draw and vote activities to check for understanding in different ways. Give our quick practice and activities a try and let us know what you think.